Welcome to our geometry series. Today we are talking about points. A point is one of the most basic concepts in geometry. It represents an exact location in space. It is important to remember that a mathematical point has no size, no width, and no depth. It is purely a position. Because points are everywhere in geometry, we need a standard way to name them so we do not get confused. The rule is very simple. We use single capital letters to name points. This is a universal convention used by mathematicians all over the world. It is crucial to distinguish between different types of letters. Capital letters like A, B, and C are reserved for points. Lowercase letters like L, M, or X are typically used to name lines or to represent variables in algebra. Mixing these up can lead to confusion. When we need to draw a point on paper or a screen, we use a small dot. This dot represents the location. We then place the capital letter name right next to the dot. In this example, you can see point M. The dot shows where it is, and the letter M tells us its name. Let's look at a common mistake beginners make. Never use a lowercase letter to name a point. As you can see on the left, naming a point with a lowercase p is incorrect. Always use an uppercase P, as shown on the right. This keeps your geometric work clear and professional. In geometry, we often deal with shapes that have multiple corners or vertices. Each corner is a point. When naming them, we give each one a unique capital letter. For example, in this triangle, the three corners are named A, B, and C. This allows us to refer to the triangle as triangle ABC. If you are finding this abstract, just think of a map. On a map, cities are often marked with small dots and labeled with their names. In geometry, the cities are the points, and their names are the capital letters we assign to them. To wrap up, remember these three key takeaways. First, a point is just a location. Second, we draw it as a dot. And finally, and most importantly, we always name it using a capital letter. Follow these rules, and your geometry notation will always be correct.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.